Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5, Subject Environmental Studies Part 2, Topic Evolution of Humans, Stone Tools and Types of Stone Age Tools. I will give you an introduction about evolution of humans because these are going to be useful in further chapters. Homo habilis was also known as the skilled human. Homo means man and habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Second, Homo erectus. Homo erectus means the one who can stand erect. He learnt the technique of fetching fire, how to fetch fire from burning branches of trees and etc. He made hand axe. His remains were found in continents of Africa, Asia and Europe. Now, you'll have to answer certain questions. First, what was Homo habilis known as? Answer, the skilled human. Second, what does Homo habilis means? Answer, Homo means man and habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Third, what does Homo erectus means? The one who stands erect. Fourth, what does Homo erectus learn? Homo erectus learned to fetch fire. Fifth, where was Homo erectus remains found? Answer, Africa, Asia and Europe. Now Homo neanderthalensis. They are commonly known as Neanderthal man because their remains were found first in place in Germany, which is known as Neanderthal. Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. They could produce fire. Homo erectus could fetch fire, but Homo neanderthalensis could produce fire. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens are also called as Cro-Magnon man. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. They could produce a range of sounds with subtle difference. He had a very developed language system. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual imagination. Now answer certain questions. First, from where did Homo neanderthals got its name? His remains were first found at Neanderthal, a place in Germany. Therefore, it got its name Homo neanderthals. Where did Neanderthals live? Neanderthals lived in caves. Third, what did Neanderthals produce? Neanderthals produced fire. Fourth, what was Homo sapiens also called as? Cro-Magnon man. Fifth, what does Homo sapiens means? Intelligent or intellectual man. Sixth, what was Homo sapiens produce? What can Homo sapiens produce? Answer, Homo sapiens could produce a range of sound with subtle difference. Seventh, what could he draw? He could draw pictures on the basis of actual imagination. Now, the tools made from stones and bones. This is in chapter number 6. So, a chopper was made from a pebble. Pebble means large stone. Second, a scraper. Third, a circular hammer stone. See the images carefully. A chopper made from a flake of stone. A borer made from a bone. An antler used as a pick. Now, these are the factors which determine our choice of tools. How we are going to select our tools, it determines on the factors, these factors which we are going to learn. First is availability of resources, like we have according to the task are the resources which we need, are the tools which we need available. Second, minimal use of time and energy. We are going to find a tool which will use less of our time and consume less of our energy. Maximum efficiency. We will use tools which will give us the best results. And skill of handling tools which is acquired through practice. So we will use tools which we have practice about. Without practice we cannot use tools because it can be problematic for us. Now answer certain questions. First, a dash made from a pebble. Chopper. Second, look at the image and answer the following questions. Now I am going to show you all the image. Look at it and answer. What is this? What is this? I have told you all to observe the image carefully before also. So this is a scraper. Second, what is this? This is a circular hammer stone. A dash made from a bone, borer. Fifth, and dash used as a pick, antler. What are the factors which determine the choice of the tools? There are four factors: availability of resources, minimal use of time and energy, maximum efficiency, skill of handling tools which is acquired through practice. Now, these are the types of Stone Age tools. From this only first part we are going to learn in detail, which is the Old Stone Age. So these are the three types, which is Old Stone Age, Paleolithic Age, Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic Age, and New Stone Age, Neolithic Age. So we are going to learn Old Stone Age, Paleolithic Age. Now, Old Stone Age. First, Homo habilis and Homo erectus both belong to the Old Stone Age. Tools made by using percussion technique. Tools were made using percussion technique, which means beating or striking one large pebble against another to obtain stone flakes. This is the important part, keep it in mind. Third, first tool made by them were crude. Crude means they were shapeless. So the first tool was chopper. They have not yet mastered the technique of hunting. Use stone flakes for scraping meat from the hide. Now the tools which they made were crude, and the example was given chopper. So chopper were used for chopping meat and other foodstuffs, for scraping meat from the hide of the dead animals, and for sharpening wooden sticks and etc. Hand axe and cleaver were made by Homo erectus, as you all can see in the image. They hunted variety of smaller animals like deer, bison, rabbit, etc. The Neanderthals started making smaller tools because smaller tools could be used for variety of purposes. Homo sapiens made various implements like knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. These all smaller tools were made by Homo sapiens for different types of purposes. Homo sapiens started building huts and live in them. So after Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens came into being and they started building huts. They started celebrating festivals. The Homo sapiens were the one who started celebrating festivals, and they also started making ornaments which was from shell, bones and animal teeth. Remains of the old Stone Age sites have been found in Madhya Pradesh, Pondicherry, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nasik and Nevasa, which is Tikri, Nevasa, etc. Now answer some questions. Who belong to the Old Stone Age? Answer: Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Second, what is percussion technique? Beating or striking one large pebble against another to obtain stone flakes is known as percussion technique. Tools made by Homo erectus: hand axe and cleaver. Fourth, animals hunted by Homo erectus: deer, bison, rabbit, etc. Tools made by Homo sapiens: knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. Sixth, what were the ornaments made up of? Shell, bones and animal teeth. Where were the remains of Old Stone Age found? Madhya Pradesh, Pondicherry, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nasik, Nevasa, that is Tikri Nevasa, etc.